All right, so we have this little complex that I'm going to show you. Ideally, you'd use this with one kettlebell, something that you could press overhead and swing, do a one-arm swing with. But you may initially have to use three different sizes for this exercises as you get more acquainted with them. The purpose of this little complex is to teach you, one, how to kind of start moving from one exercise to the next, using the kettlebell exercises. So what I mean by that is we transition from two-hand swings to a one-hand swing, and then going in from a one-hand swing, we get into kettlebell cleans. Now the kettlebell cleans tend to be a very difficult, complex exercise to learn. But once you learn them, it opens up a plethora of things that you can do and start flowing together. So from this exercise, I'm going to show you what's called the floor clean, which is a less frustrating way to start learning how to getting the kettlebell into the rack position. Okay, so your reps are going to come down to whatever's programmed for you, but to start, I'm going to do 5 reps of the kettlebell exercises and then go into an overhead walk. So I'll start with my one-arm swing here. Set up, 5 swings. I'm going to set the bell down, and then I'm going to come over that kettlebell. Now I'm going to use my hips to pull that kettlebell into this rack position here. And I'm keeping the kettlebell really close to my body and letting it float into position. So you notice my hips are going to drive, and I just kind of guide it into the rack position. Once I get it into position, I'm going to go overhead, and now I can carry this 20-30 yards, turn around, bring it back to the rack, set it down. Then we go into the next swing on the other side, 5 swings. Set that bell down, stand over it, floor clean. As I clean it up, I don't want to bring it up high. I want to keep it low where my fist is below my chin. 2 more. Get it overhead and do that 20 to 30 yard walk back to your start position. So, little complex to start getting you acquainted with the clean. All right, that's it.